back again. So today we put some spices and sparkles on our scales. So 2 weeks ago we learned the major scale and last week the minor and the harmonic minor. And I know we are not well and perfect at all, but we are putting some free play style, more improvising style, creative style in our ukulele style. And not only playing like the regular major scale up and down, like 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, 2. This is the D major scale. And to make it more easier, so that was the typical formula. The main key and tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. We do the pentatonic scale, so we left many keys and in any order everything sounds good. So we do like 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. My girl. This is the typical my girl scale, nicht my girl, my girl scale. Anyway, so another thing we learn now to put some spices on the scale is a hammer-on. What is a hammer-on? We hammer on with our fingers on the string. So, if we would play 2-4, or 2-5, you hear those sparkling and spicy sound. So we play with our tips of the finger. Maybe you see the marks only with the tip. And we do a short hammer on. That we get a sparkling sound out of the ukulele. So it takes time, and give yourself time to get the feeling on your fingertip how to hammer on each string and to get a nice sound of it. So a boring scale gonna get a little bit more spicy and interesting. Good. So that we don't make the things very easy, we learn pull-offs also. What the heck are pull-offs? Well, you pull off a string and you produce a sound. So you take also your fingertip and pull off in a short moment. The string, and you produce a sound. So you see it on my fingertips. You grab the ukulele and attack with a short, strong push the string to get that pull-off sound. So for myself, pull-offs are easier instead of hammer-ons, but I have a little bit arthrosy in my fingers, so it's hard for me to get this holding position very tight. But that's not your problem, it's my problem. So we go ahead with the scale again, like 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5. So downwards the scale, we do the hammer-ons, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, and backwards colors. Oops. Sorry, I was focused on the camera that you're gonna see my fret in the right position. So I repeat. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5. And now backwards. Pull off. Okay. I show it. It's a little bit higher at the E scale. You can do the same too. It's everywhere from the third string down to the first. The same fingering, like 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. So, hammer on. Okay. And pull off. Okay. Like you saw, I did it vice versa. So I would do it in all directions to get your muscle memory trained. And you can also do it with the harmonic minor scale. I taught you last week that you can So you have to scale like the open string, and I do like so experiment and give yourself time. So if you want to overread everything what I told you today, gonna be my Patreon, and I have PDFs there, and later on you can put it in a book file or whatever, and you can overread it and give yourself time and space that you can So you see, my pinky still need practice and time. So it needs time, and give yourself time. Have fun with experimenting and spice up your ukulele. Love you and see you next week. Bye bye.